Hi guys, welcome back you all to the new video of Legend Physics.
In this video I am gonna tell you how to solve problem if your soldering iron rod is not heating up. As you can see in this video I am having a plastic piece and I am putting it on soldering iron rod, but it's not heating up. Now I'll put a soldering wire on soldering rod, but nothing happens. Soldering wire is not melting, which means that your soldering iron rod is not heating up. Even I can touch this soldering iron rod with my fingers. Now it's confirmed that our soldering iron rod is not heating up. So now let's solve this problem. So now first of all I have opened my soldering iron rod into two parts. As you can see, the upper one is open and the lower one is a connection part. And now the first thing you have to do is to check that your positive and negative terminal of soldering iron is properly connected to the positive and negative terminal of power supply. Because in most cases the joints get detached from each other. So first you have to check that. There is a problem in my element of soldering iron. Hence I will first detach the terminals of power supply and the soldering element
From each other with the help of pilers. Now I have detached power supply and element from each other. After this you have to remove the upper part of the element. For removing the upper part of element you have to first take out the round rim like this. Then push the upper part of element with the help of pilers. Now you can see I have detached the upper part of the element. Now I have taken a new round soldering iron element. You can easily get it near an electric shop by your locality. It cost around 30 to 35 rupees. Now I have opened the box in which I have found an electric element. The length of this soldering element is about 10 cm with positive and negative terminals. The first thing you have to do is to check if the base of the element get easily fitted in the base of the soldering iron rod. As you can see, our soldering iron element get fitted here pretty well, so it's perfect for a soldering iron rod. Now in next step you have to do the connection as shown here. Now I have successfully made my connection, and then I will attach my base of a element to the base of the soldering iron rod. After this I will attach upper part to the tip of the element using the help of a ring. Now our soldering iron rod is almost ready for the use.